Why has Novak Djokovic pulled out of the Rome Masters? Following a shock loss to Italian Matteo Arnaldi in the round of 64 clash at the Madrid Masters, the Internazionale BNL d'Italia have confirmed that Novak Djokovic will not be competing in this year's Rome Masters 1000 tournament, scheduled to take place in the first week of May. The reason behind the Serb pulling out of the last major tournament before the French Open is not known yet, but the world number 5 has been struggling lately. The ambiguity surrounding Djokovic's decision also raises concerns about his participation in the year's second Grand Slam at Roland Garros. Having crashed out early in both the Monte Carlo Masters and the Madrid Open, Djokovic's bid for yet another slam on the red clay has taken a massive step back, as the Rome Masters would have been his last chance prior to the big event. Since there are no details for why the Serbian has withdrawn from the Rome Masters, one can only speculate that there might be a minor injury concern. Djokovic could be intending on getting fit leading up to the French Open in his bid to claim a 4th title on the Parisian clay. The 37-year-old is getting there in terms of age, and while he is still playing well at the highest level of the sport, his body has taken a lot of abuse. It is common practice for athletes to prioritize events when it comes to the fag end of their career, and that could simply be the case here. Djokovic struggles in 2025. The world number 5 started the season in decent form, making it to the semi-finals of the Australian Open, but had to retire after just one set due to a muscle tear in his match against Alexander Zverev. However, since then, it has been anything but smooth sailing for the 24-time Grand Slam champion. Djokovic lost in the first match of both the Qatar Open and at Indian Wells before regaining some form to lose in the finals of the Miami Open. The transition to clay, however, has once again seen him struggle with back-to-back opening round losses, which is a concerning sign as we head near the end of the clay court season. Only time can tell just how worrisome the issue at hand for Djokovic truly is, but with the looks of things, the signs are not good at the moment, and it wouldn't be wrong to think that maybe the end is near for yet another sensational tennis player on the men's tour.